So we've been saying this word all morning. We don't even know what it means, but we're going to find out. Hydroponics. We've been plugging it, but what is it exactly?
You need to learn to farm.
Yeah, okay. And how will it change the face of agricultural landscaping? Ricardo Chambers is our second Nutrimix Youth in Agriculture ambassador and young champion farmer. And he's going to tell us everything we need to know about hydroponics and more. Good morning.
Morning.
This actually got me super excited because we have so much water problem in this country.
We have water problem.
Yes, but we're talking about the water problem.
All right, we do water first.
And you have found something that has managed to save 90% of the water
90%,
that is needed for these plants. Tell us a little bit about how you came up with it, what it is, and how it works.
Well, I'm going to tell you about hydroponics first. Hydroponics is basically growing without the use of soil. So you can use water, other substrate, but no soil.
So no dirt?
No dirt.
So in this, we just have, what, PVC pipe?
Yeah, this is a PVC pipe, right? And we have water that's coming through these little pipes right here. So.
Right,
And the
tubing.
and the fertilizer inside of the water.
Okay.
You trickle down the pipe, and this is the root, water that's touching the root of the plant.
Right.
Yes, and then the water recirculate back and recycle. And we reuse
And then you reuse that same water and it goes around and around and around and around.
And you could do this on a vertical.
Yeah.
And you could do it horizontal. Vertical will give you more space. Yes.
Wow, that's fantastic.
And you could do this, you doesn't need a land. You could do this
yeah,
like on the rooftop, the backyard,
Listen, that's what
all
I'm
that
saying.
stuff.
Can I touch your lettuce?
Yeah, man, they can touch it.
But them look big and
You can
fluffy.
pull it out.
I just don't understand. So I always thought things had to grow in the dirt.
No, listen, we only just need 3 things for plant to grow now.
Tell me.
Nutrient, water, and sunlight.
So, all right.
So, okay.
All right, wait.
Me confused
Saki,
too. Me have
Saki,
to ask.
Ricky, Saki. Water are recycle, right?
Yes.
But the thing is, this is plugged in, so that means the JPS bill will kill me.
No, man.
Me broke up your lettuce, bossy.
No, man, the lettuce alright.
You can't eat?
Yes, you can eat right now.
Bite it, beg it, please.
I throw it a real
And
lettuce.
we have strawberry in there, so I'll give you one strawberry.
my
You
God.
want strawberry?
You want strawberry?
Oh my
The
goodness!
lettuce is so
Saki,
good.
why are you trying to take my strawberry?
I'll
Me
give you one.
never got near your strawberry. The
Give
lettuce
one.
me.
You get the bigger
My
one.
own bigger.
You get the bigger one.
Ricardo, I bet.
Amazing.
You get the first one.
It's going to be stuck in my teeth now,
This
so
is
apologies.
amazing.
Yes.
No, so...
You could grow different type of crops in the system.
What made you jump into this and decide
Alright.
that you were going to do it?
I'm an athlete. I
Yes,
run for
we know
Jamaica.
you're an Olympian.
Yes,
You're
yeah.
not just an athlete. You're an Olympian.
Yeah, so
No, he's a man of many talents.
There you go.
spot on. Anyway, in the community where I'm from, back in Chilani, I always go back there and I always try to encourage the farmers them to try new technology because they're always complaining about all different kind of stuff they're complaining about. So I try to encourage them to try new technology. They was like resistant. They're like, like some of them much older, so them stuck in the old kind of mindset, like, my grandfather do it the way I have it, and that's something I know for do so. So we went back to university and I was just there and I was thinking that, you know what, I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna spread the information to all young people in Jamaica so we could modernize our agriculture sector.
Wow.
So
That's what yours looks like?
Yeah, so I'm on
Oh,
a-
look at
That's
that.
your house?
yeah, that's my house.
amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So
Yeah.
let me ask you, you know Africa supermarket?
No,
grow
I
everything.
can't remember the last time I got the
Oh,
market.
my
Then we got the
gosh.
market for the price check.
Ah, yes,
Price
of
check,
course,
yeah.
of course.
Then we
So
got the market for the price check.
this is, you're actually wholesaling your produce now
Yeah.
to whom?
We currently we sell back to just anybody who want to purchase, but we have a form a partnership with another company named Quality Harvest, and we're going to distribute our produce through that company, Quality Harvest.
And make I tell you something, that strawberry
strawberry
is
sweet.
Yes.
That's what everybody
Normally we
tell
get
me.
strawberries and them have this tart taste. This still tart, but it's so sweet.
Yeah,
Let
it's
me-
very, very sweet.
Ricardo, on a serious note,
It's bad.
like I have never been so excited. This is probably the best smile show for me. Let me know why? Because I see the future. When
This is the
young
future.
people have vision, using technology to
is
grow
great.
what we eat, to build our
Yeah, man.
economy. I mean, I am so impressed. Now, let me ask you a serious question. You have to plug them all in because I'm really worried about the
Yeah.
JPS.
How
bill.
No,
your
alright.
own-
For the
how your own
recycling.
Because your thing big.
Oh, I have a massive farm.
Yeah.
My bill will be like $15,000.
What?
Yeah.
Huh?
And you could actually use a solar pump to eliminate JPS.
See,
Yeah, you could use a solar
Well,
pump to eliminate JPS. And the biggest benefit, hydroponics have a lot of benefits.
Tell us.
All right.
We'd love to hear them.
One of the benefits is I almost have no labor costs.
Right.
Because this is permanent. This PVC pipe is permanent. The only thing I do on my farm is
You
plant
put
and
the-
harvest.
And
Yes.
put the fertilizer in the water.
and that's a one-time per month thing.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I spray less, and when I do spray, I use baking soda, cooking oil, and liquid soap.
So
to
you're
spray.
going organic with the spray.
It's
There's
not.
no
It's not.
damaging
It's not
fertilizer.
organic as yet.
No, I mean with the spray.
No, because I use that first. But
Okay.
in instance where I have a outbreak or something,
Yeah,
I
you have
use the
to use
regular
something
pesticides.
chemical,
But
okay.
I'm still working on
Eliminating
building
that.
something,
Good
that I
job.
could eliminate the whole entire pesticide thing.
Nice. That's
And
so great.
the next benefit is we're growing vertically. And my farm will go vertical. This is just for demonstration.
definitely.
Yeah, so we're saving lots of space. I'm farming on about 15,000 square feet, and I'm doing almost 3 acres in production.
Zombies.
And I'm the only one that work on the farm. If I need extra help, I'll just call in somebody for the day.
No, I'm going to publicly appeal like I did to the others. Can you come and help me do this for my farm? I need
Yeah,
help.
yeah. I mean,
This Marvin, we are come on your farm too. This is it.
Are you
This is
planning
the
to
future.
teach people how to do this?
yeah, that's the mission for me. I want to revolutionize agriculture in Jamaica. And for me, it's important to spread the knowledge to every single young person. I'm really targeting the young people, and I spread the knowledge back to them, and I try to encourage them to do agriculture with this technology, because this is huge for the
I
future
know,
of
and
Jamaica.
this is your first step. You're reaching a lot of young people right now. So how do they reach you? Because I'm
Oh,
sure
you
they
could
wanna
reach
know.
us on social media, my farm at Chambers Hydro Farm on Instagram.
Chambers.
Hydro.
Chambers Hydro Farm on Instagram and Facebook. And you can reach me personally at Chambers Champ. What I does, like it was a concept to cutting down the first tree, everything. I post everything on Chambers Champ
Oh my
on Instagram, so I could show the public, I could show Jamaica what I'm doing, how to do it. We post all our daily activities.
Gotcha.
So cool. So
Yeah.
how's the career going, athletic career?
Actually,
This has
step
taken.
away
Yeah,
This
yeah.
has
fully
taken.
focus on
And me not
fully
have no
focus on
problem
this,
with
yeah.
that.
We
We
have no
appreciate the
problem.
first one, and we even more appreciate this one.
Yeah, cause this is
Because
not
both of
limited
them
by
do
my
Jamaica.
this is not limited by if I'm pull a armstring, I can't farm today.
Yeah.
Pull a armstring, I can't farm today. Yeah.
I appreciate that, and I'm sure we all appreciate what you're doing for us right now.
Oh,
because
yeah.
This definitely will revolutionize.
Yeah, that's
our
the
farming.
mission.
This
and,
is it.
And this is what I'm focusing
I
on.
was
The
going to ask
strawberries,
you. I
yeah.
was going to ask you. I have 2 children, Kush and Zipporah. Good morning, Kush and Zipporah. Meet Uncle Ricardo. He's going to send you a case of strawberries. You want strawberry this morning?
Mommy gonna buy that case of strawberry for $1,000 a
Tell her
pound.
the phone. Tell her how much a pound.
$1,000 a pound.
We're cheaper than the supermarket.
Most definitely you are.
And we're sweeter than the import.
Most definitely you are. Thank you so much for
Yeah, we're
coming,
super than
Ricardo.
import, yeah.
Big up yourself. I already followed you. Follow him, find out the information, and support his dream, because it's ours too. Nutrimix Youth in Agriculture Ambassador and young champion farmer with the sweet strawberry and the nice lettuce. All the lettuce sweet. I don't know what I'm
Eat some more, no, man.
Ricardo Chambers.
I have strawberry, man.
All right, we can smile after this. We'll be right back.